We have pedestrian. Here we go. Pedestrian is supposed to be more accurate with detecting pedestrians, but my faith is very low in this thing. With 10.69.2, but this is 0.2.2. What difference will it make? You have to be ready for... Oh, there is no cars coming, which, honestly, it's cheating that way. All right, let's see how it does here. Pretty good, nice and smooth. I don't want to jinx anything, but so far, these easy streets, and turn around and go to the wrong place. But okay, it got confused there. That's weird. All right, let's see how it does on this turn. It's still... okay, we have some construction here, or at least some block-offs, cones. Let's see how it does figuring out how to go with cones. Don't go into the cones. Yeah, it's oh my. Yeah, I don't think it's possible to take this route now. Now I think it's just confused. Okay, we're gonna intervene. It can't figure this out, apparently. But I could figure it out. All right, so a blocked off lane, it cannot figure out. And I'm not going to trust it on this stuff here. Yeah, I'm not going to trust it at all on this.